And so part of my footage is missing, so I'll just have to run it through with you now. So I added my seasonings here, I sauteed that for a bit, then I added my squash and my long beans. I also added 1 teaspoon of salt, and I sauteed that a little first. Then I added my rice grains, and I toasted the rice grains a little in the oil. And then I added my 2 cups of liquid and 1 bay leaf to the pot. After which I covered it with a heavy cover. This is a very heavy cover, so it traps everything in, and I left it for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, you leave it covered for a further 5 minutes, and after which your rice will be ready.